Hello students, we'll see in this program about this palindrome program. The program of a number, if a number is said to be a palindrome if the reverse and forward forms of the number are same. Now how we can do this? Here one program we have to take here some variables to do that, because we have to check whether when we reverse that particular number then it will come same. So we have to take here rev number, means one variable reverse, n variable and temp variable and some other variable to calculate, to execute or to calculate some operations over here. Now we have to take inside the one method called palin is palin. Now I have just show you. First I will also explain this loop, how it is executing. Let me first I will show you. It is asking value from the user in int num. So if I will write 1 to 1, then it's a palindrome number. How it is showing it is a palindrome number, I will show you here. As here you can see it is written intn, means it is asking the one value from the user while we execute, when we call this method. Now here it is written rev equals to 0, and here int temp equals to n, means the value of n is what? 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is going to store in this temp variable. Now here one loop executing, what temp is greater than 0, means till then it will be greater than 0, means 10 will greater than 0, then till then this particular loop will execute. Now here again, here it is written temp is divide. Temp, the value of temp is what? 1 to 1. When we divide with when we divide 1 to 1 divide by 10, then if I will write 1 to 1 divide by 10 like this, then if I will write, means where we'll get quotient from here 10, and here 2 21, here again 2, here 1. It means we'll get here 12, means this value 12, this quotient 12 is going to store in d variable, is going to store in this d variable, means d equals to 12. Now again this d is what? D is written d into 10, means the 12 into 10 means what over here? When we multiply 12 into 10 is what? When we do this once again with the calculator, then I will show you what is that. The value of it will be 12 into, sorry for that, we have to again do this and clear it. And 12, I don't know, it is not 12 1 and 2, 12 into 12 into 10. If I will do 12 into 10 is what? It will be 120. So 120 is going to store in m variable. Now here the temp value is temp minus m. The temp value is what? The temp value was 121. 120 and 121 minus 120, it will come 1, means 121 minus 120, it will come 1, and this 1 is going to store in the digit variable, in this digit variable 1, means. And here now it is also calculating reverse is what over here? Is reverse into 10. Reverse value is 0, so 0 into 10 plus 1, means when we do this reverse is 0, 0 into 10 is 0 plus 1, means here we get 1, and 1 and 1 is going to store in this re variable. And here the what was the value of d? The d value was 12 before. The d value was from here d value was 12, so 12 is going to store in this temp variable. Now again the condition is correct, means the loop will execute. Yes, 12 is greater than 0. Again here 12 divided by 10. If this time 12, if I will do 12 by 10, then here 12 divide with 10, then 1 will get, and here 2, here again 0, here 2.0, then it will come. So it is going to store 20, means here you will get 1.0. so like that means 1 we get from here, what 1 means the d value now what 1. So 1 d equal 1, and d into 10 means here d into 10, 1 into 10 means here m value is 10. now again here the temp value 12 minus what, 12 minus it will be 12 minus 12 here 12 minus 10 is 12 minus this is what, here it is 1 into 1 is 10, so 12 minus 10 it will get here 2. so here a reverse it will come here 2, means this time the reverse value will be 2, means the first time it was 1, now it is reverse value is 2, now here once again the value of d is what, from here 1, so 1 again it will divide, so 1 it will coming 0 over here, means here not 1, again it will come when we divide 1 and divide by 10, then we'll get remained quotient 1, and 1 into here we'll get 0, we'll get here 0 into 1 is 0, so it is it will come what, 1 in here the reverse will come 1 to 1, the reverse value will come 1 to 1, and it is equals to 1 to 1 the temp, because from here from if condition, and 1 to 1 is equals to 1 to, so it is a palindrome value, and it is palindrome value. So 1 to 1 is a palindrome value. It is, that is why it is showing in the output screen, that is 1 to 1 is a palindrome number. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.